Well, hello again. So everybody has been asking what's going to Bunyan. So what you see behind me is what's going to Bunyan. We've got a couple of semi-pros, a wrapper, a grapple, and even a SplitForce SF9. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you just what we have going on. I know I've said it before, but there's nothing like opportunity. So right here, did I ever tell you that the semi-pro has a solid axle the whole way underneath it? There she be. It's a lot easier to see when you're at eye level. Right, well, we got to break out a new strap, and just like everybody else, I end up on YouTube and found out a nice easy way of doing the 30-foot straps when you need like 3 feet. So some guys fold it. I like to roll it. It just seems that I can keep it a little bit better together, except for that little piece that wants to keep sneaking out. Not quite sure why it's doing that, but probably because it's a new strap. We'll blame it on that. So I'll get this all coiled up, and then basically all you're going to do is like a slip knot and take this coil and we take the coil, go around, go underneath the other strap, kind of pull this up a little bit. We pull it back, then as you roll it, it twists everything around, and we have a really nice tight extra piece that'll go down the highway just nice. We'll go around the other side, pull it tight, and then it's going to be good to travel all the way to Bunyan. All right, so like I said, we run them all that same kind of loop pattern. This one's finally good and tight because we did the other one on the back side. So the load consists of 3 semi-pros. The first one here, you can see it's got the double valves on it. So that is our auto cycle unit. And then this one is a standard unit. We have a wrapper, a log grapple, and another standard semi-pro, along with an SF9. This is a towable unit. It is not self-propelled. I do have a 13 horsepower, 20-foot conveyor coming to the show. Don't have any pictures of that because the truck showed up early up at SplitForce and it got shoved in for transport before they thought about it. So 1 SplitForce, 3 brute force, a wrapper, and a grapple going to Bunyan. Check out the comments down below and I'll put some prices in there for you. I'm a little coffee deprived today and I'm tired anyway, so don't want to quote anything here. Maybe I'll put something down below and just what's going. So this is what we have, and this will be in Paul Bunyan for the 2023 show this coming weekend. All right, I am quickly losing daylight, as always it seems, because this is Northeast PA, and it is October now, and daylight goes away fast. So 833 splitter, sales at shaverequipment.com. Love to get your business with the sales quote. Again, all of our videos are not a paid promotion. It's just something that we do to reach you, the customers. So hit us up on the 833 splitter line, 833-775-4887. And you can also email me at sales at shaverequipment.com. We'll see you at the show.